Hey, this is jdeanfia. So we're dealing with passing chords and tritones. We're in the key of C here, all right? I'm going to show you two different ones. I'm going to break down two different ones and show you how you can use them. The first one, they're very simple. They're going to add some color to your playing. The first one, to get to the 5. So it's basically a tritone sub for the 2 to get to the 2. You can variate this several different ways. We'll talk about that. Come up here with it. All right, so we're going to show you that one. Also, I'm going to show you this move to get to the 6. All right, so hang with me here, and I'm going to show you these two things and show you how you can use them, where you can use them, and pretty simple, and it's just kind of fun to play. All right, so the first one, say we're playing You Are My Strength. All right, we're in C. You know, I like to use my passing chords like that. There's a video, tritones in C or something like that. So You Are My Strength. Strength, light, go, there, all right. Strength, right here. Read just to me. So what we're doing is, first chord, all right, we're playing an F major 7 chord, F and C on my left hand, right hand, E and A. Coming off that A flat there to get to the A, all right. Next chord, I'm playing an E and B, and then I'm playing a D and G, so E minor 7. So we got F major 7, D, E minor 7, all right. Then we're gonna do the tritone, all right, for E flat, all right. This is the chord, so I'm playing D flat and G. So when I say I'm doing the tritone for E flat, so essentially the progression is going down to the 2. All right, we're going to the 2, but instead of playing the E flat there, I'm gonna play the tritone for E flat, and that's gonna be D flat and G. So I got F major 7, E minor 7, all right. Then I'm gonna play that tritone. When I get to the tritone, D flat and G, whatever key I'm in, I'm gonna play the 1 and 3 of my right hand. So C and E, the 1 and 3 of C. I'm coming off the D, E flat to get to the E. All right. And then you're just gonna drop everything. Left hand, you're gonna go to C and G flat. Right hand, you're gonna go to B and D. So we got F major 7, E minor 7. All right, kind of roll off to the tritone for the E flat. All right, and then C and G flat, B and D, and that's gonna set me up to go to my 5. All right, when I play my 5, I'm just playing a 5. I'm playing a 4 chord in my right hand over the 5 in my left hand. So I got G and D. In my right hand, I got F, G, A, and C. And that's gonna take me to my 1. So the song You Are My Strength. Strength, like, no, there. Strength, like, right here. Read just to me. So do it slow. So if you're gonna do it on this song, as soon as you say the there of other, all right, that's when you're gonna move. So You Are My Strength. All right, that I did a video on that move there. Strength, like, no, there. All right. When you go to the 5 and say there, strength, like, no, on that there right there is where you're gonna move. So strength, like, no, there. All right. Just practice it and you'll get it. All right. I'll play through it one more time, then I'll show you the other move. remember, you can also take that up here. All right. Or you can start it down here. It's a little muddy for me. You may like it. All right. You can do that move all over the piano. All right. You're on the 4 in the fullness of your grace. And you go to the 6 right there. All right. So I'm going to show you another move to get you to the 6. So you got in the fullness of your grace right here. Takes you to the 6. All right, all I did, C, D flat, D, and then hit this chord here, A flat, C, and F. So it's the F minor chord, all right, inverted. All right, so chord, grace, the kind, power of your name. All right, so just a couple things that you can do, all right, to add to that song. All right, so once again, you got the progression. You're playing a 4-3, F major, E minor, all right, and then move it around. That gets you to the 5, back to 1. All right, so yeah, I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.